Vita Sport Grade gets sonic grey colour with black accents to the door mirrors, shark fin antenna, deck lid spoiler, and that piano grille finish continues to the upper grille and upper door mouldings. The 19-inch machine cut and piano black design wheels finish off that enhanced styling of the 2021 Accord. And of course, the LX Sport also has that same black accent trims. The Accord is very generously equipped with many standard features. However, again, listening to that all-important customer feedback, we've added additional features as well as some new to this segment. We have added the full 8-inch touchscreen display audio system from the base grade. This brings additional benefits such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, full color TFT meter, rear view camera with on-screen color indications for additional safety, driver attention monitor. This excellent feature encourages the driver to take a break by monitoring the steering input. Another great safety feature that has been added for these two markets is the rear seat reminder. I'm sure we have all read horror stories where a pet or even a child has been left in the back with tragic results. The Accord encourages you to check the rear seats as you're about to exit the car when turning the ignition off. All these features are standard from the base grade, thus making the Accord an exceptional choice. In the LX Sport, which is our main volume grade, again, we have listened to our customers and have added an ivory interior, driver's power seat, power folding mirrors, rear camera. Higher grades benefits from wireless charger, as you would expect, 4 front parking sensors, 2 rear USB chargers, and power folding door mirrors. Honda Sensing is one of the most advanced driver assist suite of technologies available in the market. In this segment, you would expect certain driver assistive features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise, and autonomous braking. The Honda Sensing system includes all of those mentioned, plus road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise with low speed following, pedestrian detection system, head-on collision warning, and of course, collision mitigation braking system. For the 2021 Accord, an additional feature has been added to the Honda Sensing. It's a rear auto emergency braking system. A useful feature when reversing, the system warns the driver and autonomously applies the brakes if the rear sensors detect a collision with an obstacle. A few additional refinements have also been made to the adaptive cruise control, engine exhaust note in the sport mode, and linear torque delivery have also been enhanced. So in summary, the enhanced Honda Accord offers exceptional value that's increased by adding new features in all grades. The 2-litre and LX Sport are enhanced with new exterior piano black accents and added features. The LX Sport has additional new features such as rear camera, power folding mirrors, rear seat reminder, a driver's power seat, and an option of ivory interior. In KSA and UAE, an 8-inch display audio with digital audio broadcasting, CarPlay, Android Auto, rear camera, driver attention monitor, rear seat reminder, and tweeters have been added from the base grade. Rear auto emergency braking has been added to Honda Sensing. A sonic grey colour has been added to the 2-litre Sport, reflecting the advanced and sporty characteristics of the Accord with a VTEC turbo engine, 1080 transmission, and Honda Sensing.